Hello everyone, here's my backyard deck. It was built 5 years ago out of pressure treated wood. It was treated, restained twice since it was built, but never properly done. Gonna cut corner, so this year I figured that I would do it properly. To do so, we'll need a pressure washer to clean everything up before we restain the whole thing. So this whole project will be a two-parter. This video is the first part, cleaning it up, and then the staining will come afterward. First off, we'll need to clear everything out. Alright, better. Okay, but now it's getting late, so we'll do the actual cleaning tomorrow. I've never actually used a pressure washer before. It's gonna be a first for me. I've seen tons of videos of pressure washing and it's highly satisfying, but I've never actually tried it myself. So let's get started. Right off the bat, you can see what I was talking about in terms of dust and dirt in the wood. Look at that. The pressure washer I'm using in this video and this project was actually lended to me by my neighbor. I'm fortunate enough to have a great neighbor. Shout out to him if he's watching this video. He's the kind of neighbor that everyone would love to have, seriously. So thanks for lending me the power washer, Rami. I appreciate it. As I said, it's my first time using a power washer, and it's obviously my first time using it on wood. It's pretty effective. As you can probably see, I'm wearing rubber boots. Honestly, I don't know what I would have done without them, because the handle part was leaking a lot, as you can tell also from the video, and my feet would have been soaking wet if it wasn't for the boots. I gotta say, it took way longer than I initially anticipated. I figured that I would be done in a matter of at most a couple hours, but it took me actually like 5 or 6 hours. Maybe partially due to the fact that the pressure washer was leaking a bit, but actually, pressure-wise, I could still easily mark the wood if I stayed too long on a plank. So I believe it was powerful enough. It was just a lot of surface to cover. Okay, let's take a break and look at the difference between what's been done and what hasn't. Pretty crazy, right? Okay, let's keep going. What is better looking than a guy in rubber boots? Yes, a guy in rubber boots and in shorts. Look at how it suits my calves. Enough of that. Let's keep going. That is it. So again, some of that before and after footage. There's a big difference. You can probably tell as much in video, but I can tell you that it's a night and day situation. Even more so once it all dried. The next step will be to stain, and for the stain I actually have a stash in the back of my garage. Oh man, it's a mess. This is it. We're gonna use Armor Roll wood preservative. It's a good product, smells bad, and it's gonna be perfect. Alright, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Please consider liking, subscribing, and see you next time. Cheers!